Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the technology that enables computers to think, learn, and solve problems like humans. It powers smart assistants, recommendations, and many modern innovations. Robots are one of the most important applications of artificial intelligence. By combining AI with sensors and machines, robots can see, learn, and make decisions in real time. They help humans perform dangerous, repetitive, and complex tasks in industries, healthcare, agriculture, and space. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare and improving the lives of millions of people around the world. AI helps doctors and medical professionals diagnose diseases more quickly and accurately by analyzing medical images, patient records, and laboratory results. This enables earlier detection of serious conditions such as cancer, heart disease, and neurological disorders. AI-powered systems can also assist in creating personalized treatment plans based on a patient's medical history, genetics, and lifestyle. This helps healthcare providers deliver more effective and targeted care. In hospitals, AI is used to monitor patients in real time, alerting medical staff to potential emergencies before they become critical. Another important application of AI is in drug development. Artificial intelligence is transforming education by providing personalized learning, instant feedback, and smart tutoring. It helps students learn faster, improves teaching efficiency, and makes quality education accessible to everyone. AI powers self-driving cars by enabling real-time decisions, improving road safety, reducing accidents, and making transportation smart. AI-powered smart assistants help us manage daily tasks, answer questions, set reminders, and control smart devices. They save time, increase productivity, and AI chat and smart assistants are changing the way we work, learn, and communicate. They can answer questions instantly, help with writing, research, planning, and everyday tasks. By saving time and increasing productivity, AI assistants make information more accessible and help people achieve more with less effort. AI assistants are transforming the way we live and work. They help us find information instantly, manage daily tasks, boost productivity, and provide personalized support anytime, anywhere. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, represents the future of intelligent technology. Unlike today's AI, AGI could learn, reason, and solve problems across many fields like humans.